Time to lube these switches. What to use? What to use? Am I out of Krytox? You know what? Why not? It's not the worst idea I've ever had. So basically, I remember seeing this video by Squashy Boy where he lubed a few switches with different types of lubes to varying levels of success. The two best results came from olive oil and Vaseline, which led me to wondering, is this something people are actually successful doing? And after some research, and by that I mean 5 minutes on YouTube, I reached a conclusion that some people have actually tried this at different levels of success. So, today I will be trying it myself. To do this, I have lubed a few novelty creams in a few different ways. One I lubed with Vaseline, one I lubed with olive oil, and one with olive oil on the spring and Vaseline everywhere else. I will be comparing these to a switch I poorly lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0, my lubing technique is still far from the greatest, and a switch in which I cleaned the lube from, getting it to as close as stock as possible. Now I know what you're thinking. Alex, what are the results? What happened? Well, personally, I prefer the sound and feel of full Vaseline out of all the quirky lubes, but in general, Krytox 205 grade 0, even with my scuffed technique, was better. At least that's my opinion. But hey, tell me yours in the comments below based on these sound tests. So in conclusion, should you lube your switches with Vaseline? I mean, if for whatever reason you physically can't buy actual lube everyone uses, then yeah. Or should you? You see, while recording this video, I did a quick Google search which led me to a Reddit thread about the use of Vaseline on stabilizers. And someone was saying not to do it as Vaseline is not plastic safe. Then I found another Reddit thread regarding the topic of the use of olive oil as a switch lubricant, where a user by the name of Mountain Blocks pointed out that there was a scandal in the firearms world several years ago where people were selling premium gun lube when in reality it was just olive oil. He goes on to say that the perfect switch lube may be yet to be discovered, and this kind of experimentation is the key to finding it. So, I guess to sum it all up, keep experimenting with different types of lube, but remember that there is no guarantee you won't ruin your switches on the way. And if you want to stay safe, just buy some Krytox.